This flat washer assortment kit comes with 1,100 pieces. One thing I like about this is everything is in its place. It is completely captured within this holding case. Some kits like this, you open it up and stuff is just everywhere. That's not the case here with this one. Each washer is made out of 304 stainless steel, and that is far superior than the 201 steel that you often see. The 304, much better. Here's a demonstration as to why you need washers. If I wanted to put these two pieces of hardwood together at a 90-degree angle to make a frame, hold it together with nuts and bolts, here's how you do it. I will use a nut and bolt that I own and use one of the washers. Now this is on nice and tight. Watch what happens when I don't use the washer. Now everything is smashed together. Look what it did without the washer. This is expensive, exotic hardwood, and now it looks awful. Washers are the way to go, and you want the 304 stainless steel.